1975 Porsche 911 Carrera Sunroof Coupe. Price, $86,500. Location, Arkansas, USA. The 1975 Porsche 911 Carrera Sunroof Coupe is more than just a classic sports car. It's one of the rarest air-cooled Porsche models ever produced. Finished in the breathtaking factory special order Gemini Blue Metallic, code 335, and paired with a timeless black interior, this exceptional Carrera instantly captures attention. With only 63,653 original miles on the odometer, this beautifully preserved machine represents an unforgettable chapter in Porsche's legendary history. The rarity of this Porsche is what truly sets it apart. This particular example is number 360 of only 395 Carrera coupes built for the 1975 model year. That incredibly low production figure makes it one of the most collectible impact bumper 1911s ever manufactured. Every detail reflects Porsche's racing heritage, from the black Carrera side graphics and black window trim to the iconic rear spoiler and legendary 15-inch Fuchs-style wheels. This is a collector's dream that becomes more desirable with every passing year. The driving experience is exactly what enthusiasts expect from a classic Porsche. Power comes from the legendary fuel-injected flat-six engine paired with the highly respected 915 5-speed manual transmission. The result is an engaging, mechanical driving feel that modern sports cars simply cannot duplicate. Four-wheel disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, while Bosch fog lights, BF Goodrich tires, a factory sunroof, and the signature single exhaust complete a package built for both spirited driving and weekend cruising. The interior remains true to Porsche's driver-focused philosophy. Behind the classic three-spoke steering wheel sits the iconic VDO instrument cluster, delivering all the essential information with timeless style. Comfort features include power windows, folding 2+2 rear seats, an analog dashboard clock, dual outside mirrors, a Jensen radio, door storage pockets, a glove compartment, and a fender-mounted antenna. Every switch, gauge, and surface reminds you that you're sitting inside a genuine piece of German automotive history. The 1975 Carrera occupies a unique place in Porsche's evolution. It carried forward the performance spirit of the legendary Carrera RS while introducing the impact bumper design that defined an entire generation of 911 models. Because production numbers were so limited, surviving examples in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition have become increasingly difficult to find. Collectors around the world continue to pursue these rare Carreras not only for their exclusivity, but also for their strong investment potential. The special order Gemini Blue metallic paint makes this example even more extraordinary. Combined with its documented rarity, original styling, and classic air-cooled performance, this Porsche offers everything enthusiasts look for in a collectible sports car.